Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning Out Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is day 10 of NEWvember. We're gonna keep on going and I'll show you what I eat in the day on the WW plan for November to stay on track and keep accountable for what I'm eating. So if you'd like to see what I eat in the day, come on along and share the day with me. I'm making an oatmeal bake for breakfast. I sliced up 2 bananas and then I'm going to add some blueberries. This is going to be about 3/4 of a cup of frozen blueberries. Then I'm going to top it with a 1/4 cup of sugar-free maple syrup. I have the oven preheating at 375. So I will bake this for about 15 minutes so it softens. I'm also adding some ground cinnamon to this, about a 1/2 teaspoon, and then it's going to go in the oven. Then I have a cup of oatmeal in the bowl, and I'm going to add 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, about 1/8 cup of chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, some more cinnamon, 1 egg, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and about a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to combine that together and pour it over the blueberry mixture once it comes out of the oven. Then I'm going to add a little bit more of the sugar-free syrup to the oatmeal, and I will pour it over the blueberries and bananas. That's what they look like when it came out of the oven. Then I poured the mixture over that, and I'm going to sprinkle it with the rest of the walnuts and the rest of the blueberries. And then I'm going to bake it for 30 minutes at 375. There is the oatmeal bake when it comes out of the oven. It's going to be 4 servings at 4 points a piece. The original recipe called for honey instead of the maple syrup, but I lowered the points by using the unsweetened or the sugar-free maple syrup. There is the 1 serving of oatmeal bake, and that is my breakfast. So for 4 points, plus my iced coffee, it is a 5-point breakfast. I have kind of a weird lunch today. I had a taste for a sweet potato, so I made a sweet potato with some butter spray, cinnamon, and monk fruit golden sweetener on it, some green beans, and an apple. So that is what I'm having for lunch today, and dinner is going to be American goulash, which is a pasta-like, so it has a little bit more points because I really like it. So I'm going to eat heavier at dinner, so that is my lunch today. For dinner, I'm making a pot of American goulash. It is a recipe by Emily Bites. It's one of my favorite. You cook the meat with tomatoes and tomato sauce, and it is fairly low in points and easy to make, and that's what's for dinner tonight. There is my serving of American goulash. I cut down the points a little bit by doing 1/2 and 1/2 on ground beef and 99% fat-free chicken. So this is an 8-point serving, and I have a piece of bread for 1 point with 1 point worth of light butter. So that is my dinner tonight. I'm having some of this NYX Swedish cookie dough ice cream. It's only 2 points for a 1/2 cup or 5 points for a whole cup, and I am having a whole cup of that. So that is a creamy new ice cream that I found. I'm going to make some popcorn in my microwave popcorn. I just put a little bit of popcorn in the bottom. Then I put this lid on, no oil, and I'll put it in the microwave. And there is the popped bowl of popcorn, no oil, 0 points. This is the butter spray I use on the popcorn. Tastes like theater butter popcorn. It's really good. Okay, 0 points. I'll put a link in the section below. Last food of the day, a popcorn, nice bowl of hot popcorn for 0 points with a Diet Pepsi, and that'll be it. That's going to be the end of day 10 of NEWvember. I ended the day using 23 points. It was much less than yesterday. I tried to keep it down low. So I made it through, started over today, even though yesterday I had a bad day. So that's the way you got to do it. Some are bad, but you always have a chance to restart the next day. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.